Fuzzy's Radiator Shop was established in Borger, Texas during the oil boom days of 1926 by a man named Fuzzy Whitlock. In 1940, Doc Johnson bought the shop from Fuzzy, and 9 years later, Kenneth Jones went to work for Doc for about 6 months until he joined the Navy. After serving 3 years, he returned to Borger, and in 1956, he purchased Fuzzy's from Doc Johnson. Kenneth ran the shop until 1982. At that point, Kenneth's son, Alan, a recent college graduate, began managing the shop with 3 employees. In 1985, Alan purchased the shop from his father, and with his eye on the future, thus began a new era for Fuzzy's Radiator. A year later, Kenneth returns to head up the sales department, and now father and son begin building a full-scale manufacturing operation, which now today employs over 60 people and covers 60,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Through their innovative design, they have developed a small radiator company with humble beginnings into a large manufacturing plant with national and international clients. Please sit back and enjoy the video as we take a tour through Fuzzy Radiator facility.
Once the order has been processed through sales, raw material enters the fin machine. Where it is hemmed and punched to the correct fin configuration and cut to length as it exits the machine. Next, the CNC punch press will punch the tube slots and bolt holes into the raw brass header plate. The Voss punch press is accurate to 1/10,000th of an inch and punches 70 holes per minute. As the headers are being punched, the fins are stacked to the desired fins per inch requirement for maximum cooling, and then the pre-soldered coated tubes are inserted into the core. When all the tubes are placed in the core, the whole assembly is moved on to the oven. The core is placed on the automated oven rack. The core is squared and flux is applied. The core enters the 560-degree oven for 5 minutes, which melts the pre-coated soldered tubes and bonds the fins to the tubes. Once cooled, the core is fitted with corner supports and the header plate and is then moved to the lead-free soldering process, which adheres header plate to the core through capillary action. After dipping the core, technicians perform quality checks and then ship the core to assembly. Fuzzy's is committed to a high-quality product, and we have installed 4 CAD/CAM metal fabrication machines which produce the component parts of a Fuzzy's radiator assembly, such as tanks, side channels, shrouds, guards, etc. Now we enter the welding facility, where the component parts are welded to exact specifications based on Fuzzy's computer-aided design department. Building on Fuzzy's Radiator's commitment to quality, we have brought robotic welding into the radiator and heat exchanger industry. This allows Fuzzy's to build to the customer's exact specification. Here, the Motorman HP5020 is being programmed to fabricate a fin fan header box. At Fuzzy's, we produce our own charge air coolers using marine-grade aluminum extruded tubes for extra strength with no chance of seam leaks. The Motorman is used with its TIG technology to join all the tubes in the charge air cooler core. After the core is produced, it is sent to the next welding station where the tanks are welded in place. To fabricate air fin round tube heat exchangers, Fuzzy's has installed the VC8030 CNC vertical boring machine. This allows precision drilling and milling operations that allow us to build to exact customers' specifications. Here you see a plug sheet being bored and tapped for a fin fan header box. As component parts are finished in fabrication, they move to sandblasting and powder coating. After core manufacturing, fabrication, and powder coating, the finished parts arrive at Fuzzy's assembly shop. The FZ13, using Fuzzy's innovative through-the-tank design, allows for maximum use of space with Fuzzy's charged air coolers. The Fuzzy's FZ33 incorporates the innovative stacked unit design with an aftercooler which is ideal for use in today's Tier 3 engines. Fuel coolers are also optional on all units. The Fuzzy's FZ55 is the industrial workhorse for frac unit applications with a stacked horizontal radiator package. They are engineered for easy maintenance and long life. Production of the FZ55 starts with a rugged base structure incorporated with a fan shroud, heavy-duty bearings, and a fan. The first of 3 cooling sections is a turbo aftercooler. The second section consists of all auxiliary coolers, hydraulic cooler, oil cooler, and fuel cooler. The third section is for engine cooling. All coolers are designed to exact customer specifications. The Fuzzy's FZ55 is ideal for today's demanding Tier 3 engine design requirements.